Good morning everyone, I'm Cadet Axelan Ian Vincent and I'm here to demonstrate to you how to announce distress message, urgent message, and safety message. Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is Blue Horizon, Blue Horizon, Blue Horizon. Call sign ASDY 1122. Our position is 34 degrees, 52 minutes north, 76 degrees, 35 minutes west. We have an engine fire and are unable to control it. There are 2 people on board. We required immediate assistance. Over. Pan, pan, pan. This is Seabreeze, Seabreeze, Seabreeze. Call sign XYZ 987. Our position is 50 degrees, 15 minutes north, 4 degrees, 30 minutes west. We have a medical emergency on board. A crew member has suffered a serve injury and requires urgent medical assistance. We request medical advice and possible evacuation. Over. Security, security, security. All station, all station, all station. This is Ocean Voyager, Ocean Voyager, Ocean Voyager. Call sign YDCY 1122. There is a large debris field report at position 42 degrees, 15 minutes north, 70 degrees, 30 minutes west. Mariners are advised to navigate with caution. Ocean Voyager is standing by on channel 16. Out.